Mark just got back from shopping and he's got sticker shock. Pool chemicals, super expensive.
You want that? Yeah. You can write that.
Hello.
Apple. Hi, mommy.
How are you?
Good.
Say, welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog.
Vlog.
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog, everyone. Today is Saturday. It's usually the day that we do our food shopping, but I have a market tomorrow, our biggest one, and I stayed home to crochet. So my butt's been glued to the sofa over there all morning up until now, pretty much, except that I got up to fold some clothes and put on a batch of dishes in the dishwasher, but that's about it. So Mark braved the outdoors, the outside world. Where'd you go? BJ's and Aldi and ShopRite? And the pool store, yes. You left your insides at the pool store. I'm telling you. I don't know how much more things can get expensive before we can't afford them anymore.
Very soon.
Yeah, seems like it. Alright, so did they take back the chocolates at BJ's? No problem? No?
No problem.
Oh, no problem. Okay. So let's see what Mark got. I'm kind of upset because some of the stuff that I told him was on sale, he said was not on sale, but maybe I was looking at next week's. I don't know. But anyway, I guess this is ShopRite. So we have some French fries, some cereal, some yellow rice mix, which we get every week, some ragu kettle sauce, which is slowly becoming my favorite, mushroom gravy, accidentally vegan, our favorite Italian flour. Last week, after I turned the camera off, I went to go have some peanut butter and saw that the peanut butter inner seal was missing. Where it was in there,
Stuck to the lid.
it was stuck to the lid. It was compromised, so we had to return that. So we got another one. Hate when that happens. Where'd you get the tomatoes? ShopRite. Okay, so tomatoes, cucumbers, my favorite fresh broccoli. I told Mark to get some peaches because were they on sale?
I got some kind of discount.
Okay, these are nice, very nice. They're not ready to eat yet, but they look really good. We got some bananas here. I told him to get the Silk Protein milk, which I thought was on sale, but it was not. Coffee creamer, not on sale. Thought it was. These, I guess, are from Aldi. Jalapeno olives. Pinto beans, organic in a can. Our favorite artisan lettuce. And then I guess BJ. That was the last one?
Yeah.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah. Sometimes it's hit or miss. Sometimes they look, disgusting. But that's a good one. It's tough to get it on the weekends because everything's picked over. So BJ's, we got some Impossible Ground for 11 and change for a 2-pack. That's pretty good. And they had $1 off on the Mi Niñas tortilla chips, which is our favorite brand of tortilla chips because the ingredients are super clean. And that's all he wrote. Now I gotta get back to crocheting. I guess the girls are coming over to go swimming. And I'm gonna crochet till tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Maybe 8. Because we have to be there at 9. So that's only, what, like, it's less than 24 hours, but is it, what, like 15 hours maybe? I don't know. I'm always surprised at how little time I have left. Right? Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for shopping. Get up.
Oh! I know you're filming.
Anyway, it's Monday.
It's Monday.
Guess what? I barely filmed this weekend.
It was a busy one. We had our festival yesterday, which we will talk about in our crochet video tomorrow.
I got dirt in my eye. I got a bloodshot eye because it's burning. And I have to put more eye drops in again.
It was very windy.
There was dirt blowing everywhere.
Yeah, I didn't like the dirt.
It was a dirty strawberry fest.
But again, we'll talk about that tomorrow.
Yeah.
I wanted to give a special shout out to everyone who sent us spam.
Yeah.
Spam likely.
Mr.
Everybody,
Likely, stop calling me.
yeah, everybody who sent us mail that we opened up on the live stream last week.
Yeah.
That was so sweet of you. Catherine B, Hanley, and Carol.
Right.
You guys are amazing.
We got Wishbone right there.
Carol, I have to tell you, you made two 90s kids very, very happy.
When you came in here with the Wishbone doll.
I was like all ready to go for the night, and I had him, I was holding him like this, and I walked in and Sean D was like, who's that? Like he didn't see his face yet, and I turned him around and he was like, Wishbone! Like he
And
was
his
laughing.
face lit up like he had just won the lottery.
Yeah, and he was like holding him, and I was like, well, I guess he lives here now.
Oh.
We're gonna share him, but Wishbone is gonna live here because I just could not take him away
I
from
mean,
Sean
if you
D.
give it enough time, he'll release it.
We can share him.
Yeah.
We'll share him. But Carol, thank you so much. Hanley, Sean D has been all over the comics.
Yes.
We tried out.
Even Daddy Mark was checking out that Conan one.
They're pretty cool.
They
I
are
have
very
to say.
cool.
All the stuff you send us is always so cool.
And we had the candy this weekend.
We tried one of the candies at our festival when we were sitting there, and it was so good.
It was life-giving.
We tried, what was it, Sour Diamonds?
Yes, the strawberry sour diamonds by Bubs.
They were so good. I
We're
can't
gonna
wait.
really savor all of those different ones and just
Yeah.
concentrate on one at a time.
I can't wait to
because-
try more of the candies.
Oh, I'm already thinking of the possibilities of ordering for like Christmas and
Yeah, I
Mother's
think
Day
I
and
think that's a
birthdays
fun.
and stuff, because that's a nice treat.
It's a fun little treat.
Yeah.
And Catherine B, thank you so much for the stickers.
Yes, Sean D loved them.
It was a good batch of stickers
He
too.
squirreled them away
He did.
immediately.
And also just the encouragement in the card. We really,
Yes.
really appreciate it.
Yes.
It really brightened up our week, really.
But then we had a bad day yesterday.
We're saving the festival for the crochet video.
All right. Oh my God! Stop calling me. It's Kristen. No, I can't take this call right now.
We're going to call her back in a sec.
Yeah.
But thank you so, so much.
Yes, we appreciate you all so very much.
Yes. Do you have shout outs?
I have one birthday shout out for this day, born on this day,
Who you
unknown amount of years. None
Oh.
other than Amanda.
Amanda, happy birthday.
Amanda on the plant.
Happy birthday.
With a name like that, you should be vegan.
Yeah. Right?
I mean, I would be probably.
I mean,
I
you
am
would be
anyway.
anyway.
No
But
pressure.
Amanda, happy birthday.
Yes, hope you're living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Absolutely.
How long? I'm going to put this on mute for a second because I know she's going to call back in a minute. She's going to be like, Mom couldn't have possibly missed my call. She wouldn't hang up on me, would
We
she?
do need to hurry though, because we're going
I
to have
know.
to call her back.
I know, and Daddy Mark's going to come busting in here any minute too because he just called me from the supermarket on his way home
Oh, okay.
and said, do you need anything? And I said, yes. I need plastic forks and I need some organic sourdough.
Well, I'm happy for you.
Thank you. All right, you got anything else?
I don't think so.
Sorry, this is a short one, but like, my eye is burning.
Yeah.
We were tied up the entire day yesterday.
Yeah, it was
Saturday,
a long day.
I was in the crochet trenches.
I went in the pool.
How nice for you.
It was really nice. But,
You also said it was day of a million Randalls.
they were dead though.
Oh,
I was just fishing them out.
sorry.
Yeah, but we call those little millipedes, centipedes, whatever, Randalls. Like Randall from Monsters, Inc.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're gonna go for now, but we hope you all had a wonderful weekend. We will be back tomorrow with the crochet video.
Oh my god.
Thursday with another vlog.
I cannot play hooky in the live crochet chat tomorrow. The video
No.
has to go out.
You need to get that video done.
Yeah.
So, I gotta write up the report tonight.
Stay tuned for the report.
Yeah. So, we'll see you all then if you want to join in.
Yeah.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you.
So, until next time,
much
love.
love. Bye, everybody.